Started. So it is black to play. Now see the situation. I will explain to you. Um, White has two pawns less. Oh, no, one, two, three, one, two, three. One pawn less. So there is a disadvantage for white is this particular pawn. That is, it can't go. It can go here or it can go here. That's all. That is only. This is very much disadvantageous bishop for white. And this open file is with black. So black has a real advantage of open file. So black is winning in this case. Otherwise, piecewise both are equal, but black is winning in this case just because of he is occupying open file. His queen is quite good developed and attacking on the king. Pawn is pinned. This is a pin pawn. This is again advantage to the black. And for black, nobody is attacking on the king side or nothing is attacked. Only this is attacked. That's all. Unsupported pawn. Afterwards, queen may come over here and then try to destroy all these things. So it will take little time. Now try it. Just give it a thought. How you can utilize diversion, concept of diversion. Yes, Kanushka, I am expecting this from you, beta. Everybody is able to hear na, very clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Thank you. Yes, anybody? Hello. Hello.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, I have joined through another instrument. Um, so let me start explaining this problem because nobody is coming forward to solve this. See, here, as I told you, this is the advantage. In, right? Now, just imagine what will happen if this comes over here and kill this. Just see this, what will happen. Now, very clearly, this cannot kill, and there is a threat of mate. So this has to come over here, right? So but doing this, there is a big trouble. Queen is there. Queen will kill this. So how to take out the queen first? So best way is this. This is the answer. Now what will happen? Now queen cannot go anywhere. See, queen can only kill this. Or queen has to kill this. That's all. This is a force move. And if queen kills this, then you can kill this. Now this pawn cannot kill back. Nobody can come for the rescue of this pawn. This has to go over here, forced. And once this is there, then simply one move, two move, and three move. This way, chance is there. Or even first move over here, then second move over here, and then third move. Nobody can stop this. You try to imagine what could be now white's move after, sorry, black's move. After this, what could be black's move?
Queen to F5.
Queen to F5. So how to save this then? Next, if I came over here, next, I came over here.
Queen to H1.
H1,
H3.
H3. Perfect. Now cannot stop, unstoppable. For this to come over here and then to come over here, it takes two moves. So, but by that time, queen will reach over here and checkmate. And this cannot move. Pawn cannot move. This cannot move. This cannot move. Nobody can move because getting your bishop at the right place is very important. And how it came, you just sacrificed your rook. This was the position. Just see. This was the position. And what black did, simply this. Now supposing he refused and came over here, giving support. So what will happen? This will kill. You will come over here. Then this will kill this also. Black gets advantage. You understand? Simply get this free. So one piece free. So You cannot do anything now. Max to max is this. So this will be here. That's all. The moment this goes somewhere, this will come over here. And this is a clear advantage for black. One piece up and this side one pawn up. So that means 100% win is there. You understood the decoy? This was little difficult question because level has increased. Let me give you another question. Yes.
Your voice is cracking.
My voice is cracking. Hello. Hello. Is it clear now? Hello.
Hello, Shamir. Hello.
Huh? Is
Hello,
it clear
Shamir.
voice?
मनीषा
हाँ
बोलते.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Hello.
हाँ बोल 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 बोल
हाँ. अरे मी ना ऑफिस मध्ये आहे. तू प्लीज नंतर
बरं
रेकॉर्डिंग शेअर कर ना आपल्याला.
हो 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 ऑफ कोर्स येस
चालेल, कारण मला आता ऑफिस मध्ये अटेंड करता येत नाहीये. आय जॉईन्ड बट आय कुडंट
बरं
कंटिन्यू. ओके.
बरं नाही तू महत्वाच्या ठिकाणी काम करतेस तू गो अहेड नो इश्यूज
थँक्यू डिअर.
या
या. बाय बाय.
बाय
ए बा इकडे ये.
Yeah, it is white to play. Yes, Shri Kirtan.
Yes, sir.
Arav is there. Yeah. Ishan and Dhairya is there or not? Ishan. Ishan is not there. Dhairya is also not there. Fine. Come on, try to solve. White to play. This is very simple problem. Simpler than the earlier one. In earlier, there was a quite much thought process.
Sir, which has to play?
White has to play. White has to play and do a winning move. Actually speaking, this is a one move problem. Actually, because if you find that move, the rest is simply a all simple moves are remaining. The first move, if you could find a correct move, then you have found the correct answer. That's all.
So bishop to h7.
Bishop to h7. Okay. I won't say the answer is right or wrong. Bishop to h7. What next? This will kill. And now if he wants to save himself anywhere, say here, straight this check. He can't go over here because it comes in this line. Then there is a, again, this check comes discovered and you lose this. And if you go over here, then this will get released. This goes over here. Then this goes over here, then this. No, not this, simply this will kill. That's all. So this is not a recommended move. Yeah, this was the position. Yes. Your voice is breaking, Anushka.
Queen takes pawn.
Queen takes pawn. Oh, that was good. Queen takes pawn. Then this will take queen. Then whom?
Then knight will take the pawn.
Knight takes pawn. Check. Then this will take knight. Then
Then rook to e1.
rook e1.
Yes. And then
Then it is white's black's turn now. Black will play this. No, your voice is breaking, beta. Lot of. If anybody can hear her properly, please let me know. So no, this is, you tried it, good one. Yeah, this was the position. Good, you tried this, good one. Anybody else? Hartej?
Sir, the bishop to b2.
Bishop to b2 is your first move, attacking this. Okay. Then this will go here. So no, this is not. See, what you cannot see here and what you're expected to see here is very, very important. Look, this is a fork.
Sir, the knight can
Yes,
go
yes.
with the pawns, please.
Who?
So you
Knight
what
can.
I was saying what you are telling now.
Yeah. That is a fork. Perfect. That is the one thing. Is a fork. Now, when there is a fork, compulsorily black has to kill this knight, right? Otherwise, black will lose the queen. So black has to kill. That killing will take place either this way or this way, right? Then what should be next move?
So
So this is first move. With what black should take, this or this? Can you tell me? Black should play with this only, attacking this
then
also.
the queen will go to f4.
Then the queen will go to f4. This will kill again. No, that is not the correct answer. That is not the correct answer. The correct answer here is this. You understood? Now if this kills, you get this, check. Now see, 1, 2, 3 versus 1, 2, 3, very clear. But now these are very much in a prominent position, all these things. 3 pawns in a very prominent position. Where this can go now? This can go over here. That's it. Now the advantage will start. Where this can go? Advantage will start. This will come over here. Advantage will start. Come over here. This will kill. See, this pass pawn will come automatically. At the most, we will lose this. But again, this is there. Check. Where it will go? Here. Then this. See, 2 bishops free is a very, very big advantage. Very big advantage. When there is very less number of pawns on the board, that means there is a freedom for the bishop. These bishops become heavier than the even sometimes rook also, because they are of less points. So they are minor pieces, but they are, when 2 bishops combine, they attain a major role. See how many number of squares they are controlling on the board at a time. So many squares at a time. So many squares. Understood? So So it is quite a major portion. And if this king would have come over here, this side, that time, then again similar advantage. This pawn will kill this pawn. Check. And then this bishop will start attacking from this side. You want to see the problem again? Look, this is the problem. And what I said, no, I said this first, no, but this is again bad. See this. So this is not the correct move because it is pinned. No, not pinned, not pinned. This was the original. This was the original. So this is the first move. There is another way, another way. Not losing your own queen. The way is this. Simply directly attacking. Attacking this. Now this cannot go anywhere. It has to kill forced. It cannot kill this also because of the bishop. So queen takes bishop, then knight takes pawn check. Now this is you are winning this. So free queen. This is perhaps better option. Clear winning option. Attacking the queen, taking out queen to your desired position, and then the queen is coming in the hidden attack. Just see, attacking the queen. You can't do anything. Got it, everybody? Everybody? I cannot listen. I cannot hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So at least I hope that next problem you will be able to solve. You can take 5 minutes, 10 minutes. No issues. I am not going to help you out for the next problem. Okay. You try it. And if you have got a board over there with you, you can put all the pieces just like this on your, arrange the board over there and try it. Wow. So less pieces. Black to play and win. I am giving you full 5 minutes. I want you to really study hard, really work hard, no issues. Come on.
Queen to C2. Sir,
Queen to
C2.
C2. So easy. Then you must be ready with your next moves also.
Sir, knight to e3.
Knight to e3. Here. This will be check. Sorry, this will be check. This comes over here. Mate. It is mate. Cannot come anywhere. So that is a bad move.
Sir, the king can kill the queen. Oh yeah.
How? How?
No,
This is
sir.
there,
Not.
no? Answer is easy. Actually, the earlier one problem was much difficult than this. The first problem which we saw was difficult. Second was not. Third is this third problem is not at all difficult.
So the rook to g2